What if I told you that the gateway to a truly wealthy lifestyle doesn't come in the form of a flashy sports car, but something far more versatile? A van. That's right, a van that transforms into your ultimate mobile business hub, a luxurious camper for your adventures, or even a game-changing asset for smart investments. Do you think it sounds too good to be true? Hold tight, as the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter is here to shatter expectations and redefine the playbook. Wait, a van? Are we turning into soccer moms? Not, unless they're rolling in six figures. Let's face it, the dream of financial freedom feels harder to reach than ever. Cars depreciate faster than your last stock pick, and lifestyle inflation drains your wallet. But here's where the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter flips the script. It's not just a van, it's an opportunity. You might be thinking, how can a van do all that? Don't worry, I'll show you. But first, let's talk numbers, because this might just be the smartest financial move you'll ever make. The Sprinter is no ordinary van. With a starting price just shy of $50,000, it offers unmatched versatility. Picture this: 400 cubic feet of cargo space, customizable interiors that scream premium, and cutting-edge tech like adaptive cruise control and 360-degree cameras. Honestly, it has more tech than my last apartment. Sad, but true. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to set up a mobile office or a digital nomad craving a luxury camper, this vehicle does it all. And here's the kicker: it's fuel efficient enough to keep you saving while you're earning. But don't sleep on this. It's already turning heads, and demand is climbing fast. Speaking of demand, there's one upgrade in particular that's making people rush to dealerships. We'll get to that in just a second. Owning the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter isn't just about transportation, it's a mindset shift. It's about saying goodbye to wasted opportunities and hello to the lifestyle you deserve. Imagine pulling up to your next venture or adventure in a ride that exudes success. That's the power of the Sprinter. And don't worry, this van turns more heads than your friend's overly modded Subaru. But here's the reality check. The Sprinter is only as good as the plans you put into motion with it. This isn't just a vehicle, it's your partner in building a smarter, wealthier future. Are you ready to step up? The 2025 Mercedes Sprinter isn't just a van. It's a ticket to freedom, success, and a life that feels as rich as it looks. But if you're wondering how it compares to another rising star in the luxury van world, you don't want to miss my breakdown of the 2025 Hyundai Staria. Click the video on your screen now, and let's dive deeper into the vehicles that are redefining smart investments.